Taking a look at a really cool tool. This is like a keyring tool, utility tool from Lever Gear. There's some other items here in the box, clip, lanyard, and a tool, but not sure how I want to use it yet. Essentially, you've got a measuring device, you've got a screwdriver, you've got a pry bar, and then I guess another screwdriver here. You've got a lock. Once you open that, you can push out the X-Acto blade. So really nice blade, comes out the end, locks securely into place, all aluminum, super well made, really cool, and yeah, has a lot of different tools. There's a wrench there, place for the lanyard. So a really cool keychain tool from Lever, a small multi-tool. Looking forward to how I end up using this one. It's kind of a high-tech version of some things I've used in the past. Probably makes a great gift too for the person who likes pocket tools.